When you receive your cabinet, unbox and identify all components. This will aid you in assembly. The tools you'll need are a 3/8 inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a rubber mallet. Place the rear panel on a flat protected surface with the flanges facing up. Attach the side panels, positioning the holes over the rear flange. Use a 3/8 inch bolt and nut to connect the panels to each hole. Bolts are inserted from the rear. Secure all contact points before moving on to the next panel. Check to see that all support strips are facing the same end when connecting the side panels. Proceed to align the holes and insert bolts through the second panel. Only finger tighten at this point. You may want some maneuverability during assembly. Add a shelf to keep the sides upright by sliding the flanges into the adjustment strips. The next step is to add the top of the cabinet. Insert the top beneath the flanges of the cabinet and align holes with the back and side panels. Adding a single bolt may help locate the other holes. Work your way around the top until it is secure. You are now ready for the door frame. Have a friend help you lift the door into place. To attach, angle top of door over the top flange and lower sides onto cabinet frame. Open the cabinet doors to reveal the channels where the holes align. Drop bolts into each hole to prevent door from sliding. Once door is pinned, finger tighten each nut for a secure hold. You are now ready to insert the bottom panel of the cabinet. Lower the panel into the cabinet base and slide it into the support strips. The front of the panel will have two holes that align with the door frame. Tighten these with the 3/8 inch nut driver. Before standing your cabinet up, add the footplate to each corner using the provided bolts. Stand your cabinet up. Make sure the doors function properly and everything looks level. If it looks good, tighten all bolts. To add shelves, insert one side into the shelf adjustment strip, then bring the other to the same level. Use a rubber mallet to secure it in place. Before adding the locking handle, add the nylon guides to the top and bottom of the door. You'll need to take apart the lock assembly, removing the hinge pin, the bracket, and the lock cam. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws. Position the handle on the door. Attach the screws to the inside of the door so that the handle is in the 3 o'clock position. Add the lock cam so that turning the handle causes the arm to protrude through the slot in the door. Now, insert the lock rods into the rod guides in the top and bottom of the door, making sure that they connect to the pins on the lock cam. Finally, place the bracket on the pins and insert the hinge pin to lock the assembly in place. Test the lock mechanism to ensure smooth operation. Close the cabinet, lock the door, and you're ready for secure storage.